On today's episode of Christina Talks to Herself, we have an unboxing video. Stay tuned. This video will drop on Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. I hope everyone had a great Valentine's Day. Mine was amazing, but that's not what this video is about. Of course, one is Black History Month, so happy Black History Month year to everybody. If you're offended by me saying happy Black History year, that's none of my business. So last week I ordered something, and you know, if you've seen my last video, you know that when I order stuff, I have to share it, especially when I'm excited about it. I'm sitting on something. I am particularly excited about this because, one, I was able to support a Black business. Two, it came 1 or 2 days before I was expected. It was expected to get to me Tuesday. It got to me today, which is technically Monday, and a holiday at that. So, woohoo! Also, I kind of dyed my hair last week. Got a little red going on, you know. But we're not going to talk about that. We can, but we're not going to talk about it yet. So, let's get into this order. As soon as I find something to open this box with, please hold. Here's the zipper. All right, here's the box. Ordered from Broken Garment. I don't know if you can see it because I did a kind of a terrible job at sharpieing. Is sharpieing a word? I don't know. Sharpieing out the address just for safety and my address as well. But and I feel like Blue's Clues.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Alright, so let's open this package, shall we? That's nice, sorry about that. Safety pin gonna have to do. Oh, y'all tape this. I'm excited. I'm like really excited. I just stuck myself, but I'm excited. Yes, packaging. Alright, so I'm going to try to show this without messing up. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that sticker. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just really excited about this package. All right, of course, we have garment warning bag. And let's open this sucker up. Okay. Thank you note. I love. Ooh, sticker flew out. Look at that. That's a nice sticker. Shout out to y'all. This is a really nice sticker. Like, this is nice. Thank you note. It's a nice sticker too. And a card. So if you're looking for them, it's called Broken Garments. TheBrokenGarments.com. I'll tag that too. And at The Broken Garments on Instagram. But without further ado, let's get into this sweatshirt. Oh, duh. Also, shipping was free. There was no tax. Shipping was quick, which is great because, you know, USPS had been struggling since Black Friday. But here's my sweatshirt. And of course it has 4 very famous Black films on it. Can you guess the film? I'm really excited about this sweatshirt. And then look at the back. This is dope. I'm really excited. I can't wait to wear this. I don't know what I would wear with. Maybe like do like a white collar shirt, you know, a little cheer skater shirt, and like maybe some ones, because y'all know I love the ones. I'm really excited about this sweatshirt. Y'all know I love ordering. I love getting packages, and I also love when they're on time, and I love being able to support people and their really dope businesses. So if you'd like to order a sweatshirt, by all means do so. Website thebrokengarments.com. Tell them I sent you. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did enjoy this video, of course, give me a like or a dislike if you didn't like it. All opinions are welcome. Just be respectful. Please also subscribe. I would appreciate that. I did reach my goal. Oh, side note, my goal for my subscribers was I wanted to hit 10 by Wednesday. I hit 10 by Saturday, and I was very proud of myself. Next goal is 20 by next week, and we're gonna build this together. If there are videos you would like to see, let me know. If you think I talk too much, let me know. If you enjoy watching me talk to myself, always let me know. Thank you.